Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all this braid out style that is definitely festival inspired. By the way, this is a style that I created in 2024, but as we are approaching festival season and spring, I thought this was a great time to go ahead and show you all this quick hairstyle that you can definitely wear to a few festivals this spring. I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I am going to go ahead and section my hair into about 4 sections, starting off with my side part. I am moisturizing in very large sections because I have found that this does make the process go by a lot quicker and easier when you are doing these wash day hairstyles. For the braid out section, I am going with very large sections because if you know me, I do not like taking hours and hours to do my hair. So I am smoothing the Dew Bonita Afro Balm onto my hair along with the Dew Mousse as my topper. The mousse just creates a little bit more definition and hold to the hairstyle to allow the hairstyle to last all week. So I am braiding very tightly, as you all can see, because if you are going for larger sections, you have to make sure that the definition is on point and that the curls are not going to be as frizzy. And for an easier takedown process, finish off with a 2-strand twist and give it a coil around your fingers, as well as remove the extra product off of that section. I am going to repeat this process all over my head. As you all can see, I have been probably just a little too heavy with the products, but I like the slip that I can get from products as I am moisturizing. And of course, I like to see that curl definition, but that is one of the reasons why I like to smooth the extra product off, because it will slow down the drying time if you use too much product. And honestly, your hair really just doesn't need all of that product, so pray for me. And of course, do not forget to put a plait right in the middle of your head to avoid that annoying middle part that we all hate. Front, I decided to go ahead and do my flat twist first before braiding the other side, and this is just to make sure that I had enough hair for the style that I was trying to create. Sometimes when I am getting creative with my hair, I can be a little bit indecisive, so that is why I decided to do this part first. For this section over here, of course, I added some moisturizer, but I am flat twisting very, very tightly because I don't want my flat twists to poof up so much. I want them to look as sleek as possible. If I feel that the section is dry, I will add a little bit of mousse, and that is just to make sure that everything is sealed in. If you want this part of your head to look a little bit more crisp, you can add a gel or a jam to the sections, but this was fine for me. And of course, like any other section, go ahead and give it a coil and remove the extra product off. I am going to repeat this process 2 more times because I will be creating 3 flat twists on this side of my head. And to get my edges to lay in the direction I want them to lay, I am using a little bit of mousse to go ahead and smooth them down. I am going in with my microfiber towel just to remove a little bit of the extra product. If you don't know, it is kind of late at night, so I know I needed my hair to dry as fast as possible. And to help this flat twist hold, I am going to secure it with a bobby pin, and this is only until my hair completely dries. So moving on to the other side, I am going to go ahead and throw a few little plaits over here so that this side can be just as curly as the back. And here's what my hair is looking like before I sit up under the dryer. As you all can see, I did my best to use my microfiber towel as much as possible to speed up the drying process. But for now, this is what my hair is looking like before I go to bed. I'm sure my hair is probably about 75 to 85% dry, and hopefully overnight it will completely dry so that I can style my hair for the morning. I like to use a scarf to tie my hair down because it kind of helps lay down flyaways, and I like to put my bonnet right on top for security. And it is the very next day, and it is time to get into taking down my plaits as well as styling the flat twist on the side. As you all can see, my hair is a little bent up, so of course with these flat twists I'm just gonna stretch it out with this satin scrunchie so that it is not as bent. I am using the Silk Elements heat protecting spray as my shine spray, so not that I'm protecting my hair from any heat. This is just to give my hair a little bit of shine as I take down my plaits. So I am being careful with taking down my hair, but usually I can find a method where I can just pull two sides of the plait and it unravels on its own. One thing about the takedown process, you never want to separate where the hair doesn't naturally want to separate because it will cause frizz. So whenever I have chunky sections that are like wanting to hang out together, I literally just smooth my fingers down the section, and it kind of creates that volume and a little bit more extra density that I'm looking for with this hairstyle. So just be careful and just don't force anything. Just keep it cool. And even with these large sections, my hair is looking defined and super full. Because I have sometimes annoying parts when I do larger sections, I just like to take this comb to kind of fluff out my roots. I'm kind of opposed to picks because I usually mess up my hair when I use a pick, so I just use the end of the comb. And as you all could see, I did use a bobby pin to push my hair over on the side, and now I am adding these gold accessories to the sides with a flat twist. And just for extra razzle dazzle and pizzazz, I am actually unraveling the ends that are underneath these gold accessories, and I feel like it just added a little bit more festival inspired look. But to sleek everything in place, I am going to use this edge booster. Usually when I use edge booster, I do not have to reapply throughout the week. It literally just keeps everything sealed into place. Sometimes I can spritz a little bit of water on top to get it a little bit more extra smooth. And here's what my hair is looking like with the gold accessories applied. If you get tired of the flat twists on the side, you can literally take them down and do one roll twist to the side, and voila, here you have another style that you can revamp for the work week after your festival weekend. I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya.